The new Midnight Edition package for all-new 2022 Nissan Sentra. Technically, you just pay $5 for a lot of cool stuff. Sadly, the humble sedan is on the way out, set to be replaced by crossovers and SUVs. 1 second before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only, you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. In 2018, Ford decided to snuff its entire sedan range, and in response, a few manufacturers doubled down to get a piece of the pie Ford was no longer interested in. Other manufacturers, like Toyota, also decided to ditch some sedan offerings or make them more appealing by lifting them a little. The Corolla Cross is a prime example. Nissan did it best with the current Sentra, offering an affordable handsome sedan with loads of standard features. For 2022, Nissan is adding 2 new packages to make it even more appealing. The new all-weather package is only available on the SV trim, which retails as standard for $20,570. This new package will add $590 to the retail price, and includes dual-zone climate control, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and a remote engine start. The Midnight Edition package is only available on the top-spec SR, with an MSRP of $22,100. The Midnight Edition package adds an additional $695 and includes a black-painted V-Motion grille, rear spoiler, rear diffuser, black exterior badging, and black 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. It's an epic bargain, considering that the 18-inch black alloys alone are a $690 option on the S and SV trims. Basically, you're only paying $5 for the rest of the stuff. This value approach has been part of Nissan's strategy from the beginning of the new Sentra's life cycle, which is the main reason why it keeps on being a sales success in the USA. When it came out in late 2020, it was just $1,200 more than the car it replaced. It impressed us so much that we dedicated an entire opinion piece on how much you get for less than $25,000. It really puts a few German cars that cost twice as much to shame. As a reminder, the entire Sentra range is powered by a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine mated to a CVT transmission. Since it's a family car, Nissan was kind enough to include its Safety Shield 360 as standard across the range. This package includes automatic front and rear braking with pedestrian detection, rear cross-traffic assist, blind spot monitoring, intelligent driver assist, and lane departure assist. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.